Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMesh. Today we are diving into a common issue that many Windows users face, 100% disk usage. Whether you are on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 or other versions of Windows, we have got you covered. So first let me show you that what my current disk usage percentage is. So if we just open our task manager here, you can see currently I am at 0%, but don't worry if yours is maxed out at 100%. We'll fix that in just a few minutes. So let's jump right into it. So let's close everything. So at first just open your this PC, and after coming to your this PC, just right click on your local disk C and then click on properties, and in your properties just click on this tools tab, and here in under optimize section just click on optimize, and in your optimize tab here just click on change settings on scheduled optimization, and here optimization schedule, so it is currently selected run on a schedule recommended, so you need to uncheck this box. Alright, you can manually check the optimization and then just click on OK, and then just click on OK, and then let's close it, and now let's close on OK. The next step is to open your command prompt as an administrator. So in your Windows search for command prompt and right click on it and click on run as administrator, and in your command prompt you mainly need to type these following commands. The commands will also be available in the description below. You can directly copy and paste it, or you can manually type it. So here you can see I have pasted the first command. So it is saying the type of the file system is NTFS, and now the system will begin scanning. So it might take a couple of minutes, so just be patient. The system will do its job. Alright, so we have done with our first command. So let's copy the second command. So this is our second command. So let me just copy it, and again let's head over to our command prompt, and let me just paste this command in my command prompt. Alright, now you need to here press on Y on your keyboard. Let me press Y on my keyboard again. So it is saying that the type of file is as NTFS, cannot lock current drive. Alright, so the volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. So don't worry, the next time our system restarts, the volume will be checked. Now let's move on to our next step, which is go to your Windows search option and search for services, and then open your services app. And here we mainly need to search for two things. So the first thing is just scroll down and search for SysMain, SYSMAIN, and then open your SysMain. Just right click on it and then click on here. You need to mainly stop it from running, and then select the startup type and select it to disabled, and then hit on apply and then hit OK. So you mainly need to do it for another app as well. So scroll down up a bit, and here you need to search for connected devices. So here connected devices platform service, so just open it, and then again just here stop it from running, and then you again mainly need to disable it. So just click on startup type and select it to disable, and then hit on apply and then hit on OK, and then check in your task manager that if it solved your problem or not with your disk usage. And if you don't see any improvement by disabling both of this, then you can disable another thing, but it is optional. First try disable both of the first thing that I have showed you, and if both of these didn't work for you, only then try to disable Windows search option. So for that just press on W on your keyboard, and let me just search it. Here you can see Windows search, so just open your Windows search and then again just click on stop, and then in your startup type you mainly need to disable it and then hit apply and hit OK. So just disable Windows search only if the first two option didn't work for you. Alright, so let's move on with our next step. For the next step, again go to your Windows search option, and then you mainly need to type this command. Alright, so let me just type this command. So appwiz.cpl, and then open it, and now here you can see all the programs installed in your device. So if you don't use any particular program, then I would highly suggest you to select that program and uninstall that program from here. Alright, so go through all of this program one by one and check that if you don't need any particular program, or if you don't recognize any particular program, then make sure that you uninstall that particular program. Alright, so let me show you. Just right click on any program and then you would find the uninstall button. Okay, let's move on with our next step. So just right click on your task manager, and after opening your task manager, now just click on startup apps. So here you can see startup apps. So just click on your startup apps, and here you can see all the apps listed. Here you can see the status enabled. So if any particular app is enabled, then it should automatically run when your system reboots. So if you don't want any particular apps that every time you just restart your computer, this app you don't need to open it. You can manually open these types of app like Discord or like particular software that you don't need every time you restart your computer. Then I would highly recommend you to disable those apps. Alright, let's move on with our next step. So for the next step, here open the settings of your Windows, and after coming to the settings, then click on system, and in your system you need to here click on storage. So we will mainly remove our temporary cache files. So here you can see temporary files. So after selecting all of these options, then you can just click on remove files, and all of the temporary files will be removed for you. Also right click on your Windows icon and then click on run, and in your run option we mainly want to remove temporary files. So just type temp and then press on OK, and then click on continue, and here you can see all the temporary files available has been accumulated over time. So just select everything, and then you can just click on delete on your keyboard button to delete everything. So let's click on yes. Alright, so we have removed everything from our temp. So let's close it. Again just open the run, and then in your run now you need to type temp %, and then click on OK. Now here select everything again. So let me just select everything, and now let's delete everything here as well. So we are mainly removing all the temporary files which have been accumulated over time while we were using our Windows PC. So there would be certain types of file in your temporary data that you cannot remove. So it's okay, you can skip those files. So those won't harm anything. So you can just skip those files. Alright, so let's move on with our next step, which is again go to the settings of your device, and in your settings just click on Windows Update. So this is the last step, which is check for any Windows update. If your system have any pending update available, then make sure to update your system, because oftentimes by updating your Windows devices most of the problems are being fixed. Alright, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly resolve the 100% disk usage issue on your Windows system. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.